Alright, we're here at the Round 1 arcade and we're gonna give you guys a tour of all the games. So first I'll give you a tour and then I'm gonna play them, but show you all the claw machines first. The UFO catchers too. I think I'll try this one once, see if I can. Oh, whoa. How did I miss that? There's a Tweety already in the chute. Holy crap. That's like a free prize. Totally going for that one. Alright, holy crap. Oh crap, it's going already. Oh, I can like knock one off. Alright, I'm gonna just drop it in the chute. See what happens. I wanna just catch that end of the chute. How did I miss that? Seriously. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna go for over it, and then it's kind of weird. Let's see. There we go. Come on. Oh, it didn't even. Its foot is stuck. What the heck? All right, I'm gonna go for Plan B and just drop it in the chute. See what it does. All right. Try it again. What this does. Knock it in. Yes, got him. Sweet, I knocked it in. Alright. I think I like broke it, whatever. Alright, prize 1. We got a Tweety for 2 tries. Cool, too cool. That's awesome. I wonder if I can win anything else. Let's keep going, actually. This would be really hard because there's none gettable. It's really loud. Okay, Domos, maybe. This claw is probably good enough. I'll try for that red one right there. Wrong way. Is it even working? Oh, I swiped it the wrong way. Alright. I think this red one is gettable over here. Oh, no, it's not. Shoot. I'll go for this one, maybe. Actually, I'm going to use the swing technique on this one. See if I can. Let's just go for this one. I can't use it. Claws aren't very good. Probably won't get it, but whatever. We'll see. Oh, it dropped. Come on. Ooh, that was actually pretty good. Claws aren't half bad. Except it's so loud in here. This Ice Age one has been cleaned out, so that's a good sign. Let's try for one. I've been swiping it backwards. Alright, let's see. Oh, I didn't even scout out the one I want to go for. I want the... We're actually gonna go for this tiger. This one right here, Shakira. I think is her name, Shakira. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully it'll get behind it. Oh no. Oh. So close. Let's try for it again. It's gettable. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go for its back legs. Hopefully it'll hook it by the rear end. Let's see, make sure that's good. Alright, let's try for it. Come on, hook the legs. Oh. Nope. Alright, let's try for it. Come on. Ooh, perfect. Rabbit. Yes, stay. You better stay. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, barely went in the prize chute. Sweet. We got a Ice Age Tiger. There's not really easy and like really easy. Ooh, actually, I kind of need Sid. Let's see and try for him. I'm gonna go once for Sid since he's like the only one I need, and I have all of them after that. Last try. Say that every time. Alright, it depends. This guy's laying flat on the ground though, so see how good it picks up without going down all the way. Looks pretty good. Nah, he's pretty wedged, so let's take our prize and move on to the next claw machine. Alright, here's a Garfield claw machine. The claw is huge for it though. There's an Odie right there. Bunch of Odies and Garfields and stuff like that. I actually think I'm gonna try this one. It's only 4 and the claw is the right size too. So let's see. Let's go for this blue one right here in the back. They're straight though, so they're kind of hard to get. Like they're a stick almost. Let's see. Maybe close. Oh, that's actually really good. I like this. It's actually really close. So I'm gonna go for the one near the chute, I think. Let's see. These claws don't spin either, so get it like. That looks good. Let's see, don't hit the chute. Oh yes, it did. Come on. Oh, I think they're too hard though, because they're like too straight. They need to have arms or something. That would help. I don't know. Maybe I could get a 2-in-1. Alright, I'm gonna look for a 2-in-1. See if I. I don't see any like easy 2-in-1s. Okay, let's see. Ooh, come on, 2-in-1, 2-in-1. Oh, by the tag. Oh, that was almost a by the tag. Ooh, there's a 2-in-1. Let's try. Alright. Ooh, 3-in-1. Oh, 3-in-1. Oh, 3-in-none. Wow, that was so cool. I almost had 3. Let's keep going. These are impossible. I don't even want tickets. 12 credits, yeah, right. I don't want a thing. I don't want a purse. Still kind of wondering on this one. Let's try it. It's only 4. There's not much stuff in here. That's only 4. Oh, that one's only 4 too. Oh, okay, so.
Press start to play.
I'm just gonna get all on the side.
We're heading up! Woo! It's getting high now.
Oh, shoot.
This is the last one.
Alright, let's see.
Oh no!
Oh, that skipped. I saw that. That was so not even like. You could so see that. It was rigged. It wasn't even. Yeah. Oh, I got another try. I forgot you get 2 tries on this.
We're heading up! Getting high now. Oh no!
What? I'm so rigged. Wow, that's dumb. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, we got 15 seconds. We're gonna go for like right there. See, that looks pretty good. Alright. See if I can win it. Looks good. That looks really good. Come on. Oh, wow, it's rigged. So rigged. These claw machines are pretty bad. I'm gonna go for the chunky monkey. See if I can win it. The lids look easy to get.
Did you actually win?
Oh, you get like 100 seconds. Okay, just to make sure it's good. I don't even know what I do with this though, because I can't really put it in my backpack. Maybe I could. Okay, let's try for it. Here it goes. Oh, don't hit the side. Okay. Ooh, come on. Clamped. Oh, weak. Okay, this thing needs to be quiet. That's cool, it dropped. It wouldn't even fit. How would that fit in the thing? Alright guys, we're going for the M&M. I had to switch my camera to a different mode. It wasn't working right. Alright, let's go for this green one right here. Right by the chute. This claw is really strong too. Let's try for it. Oh, come on, that should have it. Oh, keeps on moving them, but it's not. I'm gonna go for those 2 yellow ones, I think. This one's. I don't want to play this one, but I don't know if anything's gettable. Let's try one more on this. I really think I can get like a bunch at one time if I keep trying for it. Alright, I'm going for those 2. That one and that one. Right there. Ooh, come on, grab a bunch. Yes, 2 in 1. Nice. 2 M&Ms in 1 try. Finally. 2 of them. Alright, we're gonna go for that one in the corner. See if we can hook it and win. Alright. I don't have many credits left. I might reach it. I don't know. It's gonna be close. Let's drop it right there. There we go. Maybe. Yes, got it. Oh, it drops it every time. It's one of these claws. Alright, let's go for Mario. I only have about one more play left. Oh, wrong way. Alright, I got 8 credits left. See if I can get him. He's like in the prize chute. I'm trying to figure out which like way I should get him by. I can't go forward anymore. Let's see what happens here. Oh, I ran out of time. Ooh. Maybe. Come on. Oh, too weak.